Hello, Ralph here. Today we go into a bit of gain staging, which is quite important in mixing. And I would say before you're going into your plugins, you should get a specific level, because most of the plugins on the market, they expect a specific volume to go through to work in a perfect way. If you get into your plugins too loud, they may sound a bit more distorted, or they get artifacts in there. So it's always good to keep your stuff in a specific level. So let's dive in and I show you how I do it. So here in Bitwig, I have an audio track with a VO meter on the channel. And I love to use the Klanghelm one. It's about $14. And how I set it up is I put it on VU to -18. So if it shows around 0, it's -18 dB, which then is safe to go into compression plugins or other stuff on your arsenal. And so you can be sure that it's set up right. I just imported the drum loop here in there. And if I play this, you see it's way over 18. One thing to mention, if you change the volume of your track level, this doesn't affect the signal which goes through your chain. So just keep this in mind. What you have to do here now is go in the clip and then adjust the volume here to match that -18. So around here. You can go a little bit over or under it, so they're just in the right range. And I have this hold function here, which is the yellow line. Every time I press on the window here, it refreshes that hold. So it's easy to get to the right spot. So now I am in the right range. So if I take a compressor now, and let's take the analog compression thing and, adjust a little bit. You see here on the VO meter we are above the 18 again. So you can adjust this with the makeup gain of your plugin. And Bitwig has this cool function here on the makeup gain that if you press the learn and you let the clip play, it adjusts the output volume to the volume which it went in. So it should be around 18 again after calculating, which is the case. A little bit over it, so you can adjust it here. Fine, that's it. And another thing now, because it doesn't affect the volume of the track, you can do the same thing on your master channel. So take the view, I can say that's the master, so you don't get confused when you have different plugins open with the same interface. And if I play it like this now, we are way below the 18. That's because now this VO meter reacts on the volume of your track level. If I put this on 0, we are back on the same volume as it comes out from the track. Just keep this in mind so you know how that analyzer works. And if you do this, you get into a really nice and open mix, and you have a lot of dynamic range so in the mastering, and you can be sure that you're always on the right spot with your mix. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. And have fun trying out. Bye.